Hello friends, Swati here. Welcome to Swati's Creative Art. In this video, you will learn how to make a bookmark with clay. Now let's start. I'm making the shoes first. I'll take the black color clay and roll it. Now take the knife tool and cut it into two. Now give both the pieces L shape like this. Now take a small clay, give it a square shape and stick it to make the shoe heels. Give it a proper shape. Tap it to make it flat. See, we've got the perfect shape. And with the knife tool, give the markings. Now with the ball tool, press the other end of the shoes to make a hole. Here we will fit the legs. Knife tool, I am giving some design. You can design the way you like. It's up to you. One shoes is ready. We will repeat the same process with the second piece. Now we will make the pants. For this we will take blue color clay and we will roll it. The center of the clay should be thicker than both the ends. Now fold it equally like this. Give it a proper shape. Tap it from the top. Now fit the pants with the boots the way I am showing you. Now stick it. Make the ends a bit pointed so that they can fit inside the boots properly, like this. proper shape which we want, like this. Fold the legs a bit. Now let it dry for a few hours. Now this is semi-dry. See how this looks? Now we will make pockets and belt. Now with a knife cutter, make a slit around ½ centimeter deep, like this. Be careful while using this cutter. Now take a thick paper strip and stick it inside that slit. Now this bookmark is ready. You can write any message, whatever you like, on it. I hope you like this tutorial. Please do like, subscribe and share, and do turn the notification button for next tutorial. Thank you for watching.